Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix this site can't be reached. So let's dive right in. First, go to the Windows search bar and type Control Panel to find it. Once you've found it, click on it to open the Control Panel. In the Control Panel, click on Network and Internet option, and then go to Network and Sharing Center. Here, click on your active network connection and then select Properties. In the Properties section, find and deselect Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6, to disable it. Finally, click OK to save the changes. Now, try to reload the web page you were trying to access and see the error is fixed. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.